Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Home Department ba National Disaster Management Authority logode collaborate kurigina Nagaland Emergency Preparedness Exercise 2023 do November 2 din luise NSDMA bra hotai sal disaster aro earthquake kan aha samai pradesh laga tayari sabo nimide NEPEx statewide mega mock exercise to organize kure itu salbi Dimapur de pansta jaga tade Forest Department Residential Block Pantaloons DIMAPUR Government College, Government High School Sarbura aro Government Middle School Dankande mock drill khando lishe. Mock drill do earthquake magnitude 7.1 aro extreme weather condition simulate kuribo nimite lishe. Itu laga mock drill de District Administration Dimapur, CP Office Dimapur, CMO Office Dimapur aro SDRF kan shamil thakise. Government Middle School Dankan Dimapur laga class 7 aro class 8 students kan bi mock drill de hisa lishe. To IB, ito laga detail report sa isabo. Idu nishna Jumugidi Madibi mock drill do charda jaga de luise. Mock drill do Government Higher Secondary School, Mount Mary College, Kudzu Market Complex aro Cosmopolitan School de luise. To IB details sawo reporter Yunis laga ground report.
We have concluded the exercise. Of course, there were some initial hiccups, some teething problems which you could observe initially. But one good thing was that by 9:30 and so on, things were very smooth. And this time I think it's a good improvement than last time. Probably we also will be able to, I think we have established some SOPs, like of course there were tents from Assam Rifle also, referral hospital, Taikhan Biahi Jaishe, and the other stakeholders, they know what their duty is. So in case there is a massive earthquake, you won't wait for any signal or any calls. It should be our responsibility that we should come here. Just now while we were having discussion, our treasury officer was saying, he said, earthquake aile to moi nijor family ke sabo ki yate aibo. Of course, that will be the dilemma that we all will have in these positions that we are in. So, itu aile we are responsible to our families also and to the larger family of NSDMA also. So, if it happens, I'll bring my family along to the staging area. It will depend upon you all. How do we manage our family, and then how do we dispense our responsibility to the people of NSDMA. Now, the very important part is, like I was suggesting, let's first hear from the observers. In the previous meeting also, I told observers to be very honest, very critical, because the praises and appreciations won't make us learn anything. It is only the criticism, and we are okay and willing to take criticism. Tell us where did we go wrong. There will be certain areas which we can improve, and I should point this out that our deputy commandant from the CISF from airport, Shri Paul, last year he pointed out few problems, and that still rings in my head, and that is why we thought that we will make a good improvement, if not a quantum leap this year. And I think we have been able to achieve those few things.
So the DEOC infrastructure is still the same. It's yet to improve. In case of an emergency, if we stick to the same DEOC, it doesn't have it doesn't have fail-proof communication system. The DEOC should have a good communication system which can communicate with the headquarters, with the NDMA, with the incident sites as well. So the DEOC should be replete with maps, phone numbers, IRT members, communication systems, computers, etc.
Sir, ajila mock drill exercise jindu earthquake disaster opor kurise to apni bi to satisfy hoisin na apni ba assign kura khan kinia kurise response team khan ba.
See, there cannot be a perfect mock drill, because even if there is a perfect mock drill and there is an eventuality like earthquake, we never know what are the hidden factors. Yes, there has been a remarkable improvement from our previous times. We are learning, and the job which was assigned to everyone, they have done it really well. Of course, there were some lapses, some areas where we will have to improve, and we will eventually. I've told my officers that today the mock exercise doesn't end with this. In fact, I've asked everybody to keep imagining a scenario where the earthquake happens, and then what are we going to do? So, like there were some things like we don't have a pre-assigned radio set. So, when an earthquake strikes, the first casualty will be the communication lines. We are still thinking how to go pass around that. But even if the officers have the radio set, the public doesn't have the radio set. So, it doesn't completely solve or absolve the problem. We have to basically think over it, and also the public should also be a little aware of it. They should also, now smartphone is with everybody. Most of the times time is wasted in TikTok reels and all that nonsense. They should also try to see what are the SOPs if earthquake strikes, what is to be done. Like I've told my officers to get in touch with DEO and to get awareness campaigns done in the schools, so that our children are to be taught what is to be done if the earthquake strikes. So there are a lot of things. There will be a lot of loose ends. We'll keep tying it. We are learning from this exercise. Observers have told us that where we lacked. Yes, there are small few areas where we need improvement. But the objective is not to perfect the mock drill. The objective is to prepare everybody to understand how to respond if the earthquake strikes.
Sir, idu awareness program kan seminar kan schools kan de jaina diwole la du kitia kurule karne plan kuri ase sir.
My CODDMA will speak with the DO and they will find out some program. They will chalk out some program. They will be coordinating with the area admin officers. So let's see. The activity will go on, and you also appeal to the citizens that they also learn how to become the first responders. What are the responsibilities? Maybe they can watch some SOPs, and they all should know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Because if today, if I'm stuck under this building in the earthquake, SDRF will be too late to come. Probably the persons who are residing around, they are the ones who will be helping us first. So that is the reality of it. Your neighbor will first help you first. So we also need to be a little aware of what is to be done. We all will be in it together, so we all have to fight together.
Sir, apni olop koi dibi na ini public kan ge tan kina respond kro lagi de olop koi dibi na sir.
That is a detailed SOP. You will find a lot of educational videos on that. So now one thing is that they should take the stock of the situation. If they can bring some basic relief, they should do it. They should try to reach out to the administration, police and others. There are small basic first aid things that they should learn. All these things are there. Thank you.